Edible insects. Sustainable solution. The global edible insect market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 26.5% from 2020 to 2027, reaching approximately $4.63 billion by 2027. By 2030, the insect protein market could be valued at up to $8 billion. Edible insects are rich in protein, and their farming is much more sustainable compared to beef or pork production. Currently, around 2 billion people in 130 countries regularly consume insects. Some countries have high consumption due to their food culture and the diversity of insect species. For example, Mexico, Thailand, India, and the Democratic Republic of Congo are among the countries that consume the highest number of edible insect species. Insects can convert 2 kilograms of food into 1 kilogram of insect mass, whereas cattle require 8 kilograms of feed to produce the same mass. On average, cattle produce about 285 grams of methane per day. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas with a global warming potential 28 to 36 times greater than carbon dioxide over a 100-year period. Edible worms produce 10 to 100 times less greenhouse gases, about 2 grams of methane per kilogram of meat. Producing 1 gram of protein from beef requires 254 square meters of land, while the same amount from insects requires only 18 square meters of land. They can feed on food waste, thus helping to reduce food waste. Thailand exports approximately 7,500 tons of edible insects annually. This includes various types of insects such as crickets, grasshoppers, and silkworms. The edible insect industry in Thailand earns about $30 million annually from exports. Some of the most popular dishes made with insects include chapulines. This dish consists of fried crickets, usually seasoned with chili, garlic, and lime juice. Chapulines are very popular in Mexico, especially in the Oaxaca region. Escamoles. This dish consists of ant larvae, usually fried with butter, onions, and chili. Escamoles are known as the caviar of the desert and are considered a luxury food in Mexico. One of the most expensive edible insects is the maguey white worms, which are very popular in Mexico. These worms, which are the larvae of a nocturnal butterfly, grow in the leaves of the maguey plant and are considered a luxury food. This dish can sell for up to $30.